How to make a WordPress website with Elementor Pro in 2024. Step 1. Set up your WordPress site. Install WordPress on your domain or hosting platform. Choose a theme that's compatible with Elementor, such as Astra or GeneratePress. Step 2. Install Elementor Pro. Go to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Elementor and install the Pro version. Note that Elementor Pro is a paid plugin. Step 3. Activate and set up Elementor. Activate the Elementor Pro plugin. Set up your Elementor account. This is optional but recommended for access to premium features. Configure your Elementor settings, such as enabling advanced typography and animations. Step 4. Design your website. Create a new page or post using Elementor's drag-and-drop editor. Choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates, widgets, and sections. Customize your design using Elementor's intuitive interface and various design options. Step 5. Customize your design. Use Elementor's advanced features such as advanced typography and font management, custom CSS and HTML, responsive design options, and animations and hover effects. Step 6. Publish and launch your site. Review and test your website before publishing. Publish your website and make it live for the world to see. Additional tips. Use Elementor's built-in SEO tools to optimize your website for search engines. Take advantage of Elementor's extensive documentation and community resources for support and inspiration. Continuously update your WordPress site and plugins to ensure security and compatibility. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a stunning WordPress website with Elementor Pro in no time.